You're good.
Hi everybody. I will show you how to calibrate your LabQuest pH probe. When you get your pH probe, it will be separate from the LabQuest, so you need to plug it into any of the ports at the back of the LabQuest. So any of those channels should do the job. So you're going to plug in your pH probe and turn on your LabQuest, and it should pick up the fact that you're on a pH probe. Now you can see there's a solution in here. It's really important that this bulb is always resting in a solution. So if it's, when you get it, it's resting in the medium that we keep for storage, but otherwise just rest it in a beaker of distilled water, because of course it can't dry out or you'll wreck the probe. So I'm going to just screw this off. Okay, and you'll see you've got your pH bulb there. Be gentle because that's a glass bulb and it can break, so you're not banging it around. And it's got some storage solution on it, so I'm just going to rinse it with distilled water. And then I'm going to rest it in the water, okay? And I'm going to be careful not to spill this small storage solution. If you do spill it, it needs to be filled up with storage solution. Tell the teacher and we'll fill it up. All right, so we're going to calibrate this. So what you're going to do is you're going to come to your LabQuest and you're going to push sensor. So touch sensors, and then you're going to go down to calibrate, and then click on the pH. Okay, now it's ready to calibrate. So you're creating the baseline. You're telling the probe what pH is a 4, what pH is a 10. So what I'm going to do, push calibrate now. Okay, so what I'm going to do, this is a pH 4 buffer solution. So I'm going to stick it in the pH 4, and then I'll tell the machine that, hey, this is pH 4. So you're going to type in 4 and then push keep. All right, so now I was just in the pH 4. I need to rinse the probe. So over top of the waste beaker, distilled water, rinse off your pH probe. And then we're going to go into pH 10 and tell the machine that this is a pH 10. Now, if we calibrate with these two range of pHs, then every pH thereafter should be correct. So now I'm in the 10. So now reading 2, you're going to tell the machine that this is a pH 10. 1, 0. So I'm telling it pH 10 and then push keep. And then we're finished. We've put 2 readings in, and it's enough for calibration. Now you see that I'm still in pH 10 here, and the probe is reading 10.26 and so on. That's fine. There's going to be some variability, and that's totally okay. And I'm going to rinse that off. All right. And you're going to never rest this just in the air, so we're going to stick it in the distilled water and carry on with our lab.